What's up, guys? B-Rob here. Have you been wondering if and how a diet consisting of plant-based proteins helps with muscle building? Well, today I'm going to discuss 3 muscle building benefits of plant-based proteins, and I'm going to do this all in about 3 minutes. I'll be right back. Plant-based foods are high in protein and also provide fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They can be an excellent alternative for people who don't want to eat meat or other animal products. For a plant-based diet to be healthy, it's important that you get your essential amino acids from other sources of protein besides legumes. Essential amino acids help with repairing your muscles, which are in charge of the growth process. So, I know you're ready. Let's get to it. The 3 muscle building benefits of plant-based proteins. Number 1 is lower cholesterol naturally. One of the most important benefits is that they do lower your LDL, which is bad cholesterol levels, while increasing HDL, which is your good cholesterol levels, at the same time. This ensures optimal cardiovascular health, which of course is great for fueling the muscles. Plant-based proteins also contain 0 cholesterol. Number 2, easier to digest than animal proteins for some. For some people, digestion can be a real problem with certain types of proteins such as red meat and dairy products. Plant-based proteins are easier to digest for people with these problems. Number 3 is healthy weight loss, which equals shreds. You can lose weight more easily with a plant-based diet because these proteins don't contain any saturated fats and they're low in calories. It's also well known that fiber slows down digestion, helping you feel full and in control of your appetite. This may be beneficial for those wanting to build true lean muscle. If you want to be healthy, lose weight, and build muscles, a plant-based diet can be the way to go. You'll have to make sure that you get complete proteins if you choose to eat, or if you have to eat plant-based, because some proteins are low in certain amino acids. Also, actually, that's it. Short and sweet, right? If you'd like to know more about protein supplements, or if you're looking for a review based on my personal experience using supplements, feel free to check out my channel. This YouTube channel right here. This is B-Rob. I have a number of in-depth reviews that cover all types of supplements. In the comments below, tell me what you think. Have you tried using plant-based proteins? If so, what was your experience? Did you like them? Which one was your favorite? Also, check out the links in the description for discounts and my affiliate links to some great products. Follow me on Instagram at thisisb_Rob. Check out my website at thisisbrob.com. And finally, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is B-Rob.